our kids are already enjoying the falls of and now unexpected we see an artist from Libuganon.
We're now actually at the Hagimit Falls, located at Samal Island. The place is nice. Actually, dagan kay mga parts na pwede mo maligo. And nature siya. Busog sa ano. So this is the aftermath of our ligo. So we had so much fun. Nas kaayo and karon
We face our fear.
ko nagpati na mong ambak-ambak dito. Diba Scarlett? So karon mangulit na mi. Hello. And that's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye dayon. What? Grabe ang sa kaunon, diba, Day?
Dra ka pasal dra.
Wait lang.
Okay, sarap kita ba. Tama. Uy kayo siya mayam. Super.
Imagine nun sa kataas among sa kaunon. From there to up there. Dira pa dito sa pinakatuktok. What the frick? Ah, barag. Nga siya dagang gidala.
And it's not
Gizi.
easy to conquer your face. Conquer your fear. Okay? Here?
But I could say, no matter how high ang sa kaunon, kanang nindot ang lugar. Cold kayo ang water. Highly recommended ang place, especially na sa mga naikuyab. Procession ang tawag ani. Mo ba niya tawag nilang procession?
Yes.
Wala yung escalator. Visit. Uy, kasi man na.
Super.
Kasi man panty ha. Hi po. Ilam nagad.
The madam itself. The buba itself. Like, she wear
Should I realize what I had when you were mine? I go back to December, turn around and make it long. I go back to December all the time.
Shane, you need to sing the song. Hi.
We are now on our way to go home. Say bye. Miss your tan skin, your so right. Was that first time you ever saw me? Maybe there's a fish